How to add custom notification sounds on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings, click on Sounds and Vibration in your settings. Then scroll down in here and you'll find Default Notification Sound. Click on it. Then simply select any notification sounds you want. But if you want to custom it, what you can do is open File Manager and then go to Storage at the bottom. Click on Internal Storage. After you click on Internal Storage, scroll down and search for Notification folder. If there is Notification folder, what you need to do is go back to your custom sound. This is mine. Simply select it and press on three dots at the top right corner of your screen beside Recycle Bin. After you click on three dots at the top right, simply click on Copy, which is the first option. After you click on Copy, it will lead you to this kind of page. Click on Internal Storage, then click on Notifications. Press on Paste at the top. After you have pasted this, go back to the settings. Go back to settings and then go to sound again. After you click on sounds and vibration, again click on notification sound and then click on ringtone from internal storage. Select the one and you're good to go. This is how to add custom notification sounds on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.